We're live.
We out here.
Jeez, guys. We need money, guys. We need everyone to give us money.
Where the money at? We need everybody to give us money.
ASAP.
How does that work?
Alright, so we've had computer issues. Well, I've had computer issues, and I'm still having them. I can't seem to share anything. So screen sharing might not happen today,
Okay.
and all that good stuff.
All the besties right from the West, please.
What is happening here on the computer? Alright, whatever. Let's just get it. Let's get into market news. You want to wait for your boy to get on or what? Unless he
Uh,
disappeared because of me? Maybe he raised that's him right there.
yeah, that's him. Hey, Pejman, what's up, bro?
Yo, sorry to make you wait, bro. My computer's been not nice.
All good, man. I think it's like 11 p.m. over there in Iran, and people are quite worried out there. This is my Hey, Pejman, what's up? Yo,
I'm
this
worried.
Yo, this is my worried hair right here. This is my worried hair right here.
I'd show you my worried hair,
See?
but it fell off.
You lost it all, bro.
Like this season just made me lose my hair. Why can't I share a screen? Anyways,
You gotta buy Windows, bro. I'm telling you. Give me your Mac, I'll give you my Windows. How's that?
I hate my Mac right now. Um, yo, so tell us, man, should we like find Elon Musk and fight him? What's gonna happen to
101.
us?
I'll take him on. Me and Elon. Let's go. Let's go.
What's happening to us? Are we okay? Are we gonna survive?
I
Are we
think
alive?
I think there's actually, like, I was worried a few days ago, but now it seems like we are on track for major bullishness, but that's long term. Because
When you say long term, we need to know.
yeah,
Do you mean major bull is just long term, like it's going to happen in 4 years, or do you mean this run?
this
Is
run,
this bull run over?
no, no, like all the indications say that this is a very major correction. Don't get me wrong, we haven't had like a correction like this since 2017 apparently,
Yeah.
and it's definitely a scare case.
Hmm.
Not a staircase, but a
It's a
staircase.
staircase for
Yeah,
sure.
it's a staircase for sure. And uh, yeah, we might even see $30,000 of Bitcoin in this situation here.
They're
But
saying 30,000 American will be the lowest, will be the bottom, as they
yes,
say.
yes, but yeah, we have passed many of those lows that
Bottoms,
was
yeah.
supposed to be the bottom. Yeah, um,
Bumble
40,
slots.
40 was one of them, and then apparently briefly this morning. Let's just move to the charts quickly
Yeah, let's
because
get to these charts.
yeah, let's make the movie move on that.
Hopefully, you can share your screen because I can't.
I
Or
think
you
I
can.
can. Yeah. Yeah, I've been looking at the charts for the past few days. Um, yeah, just zooming out, bro. Bitcoin's been dumping, just like straight dumpage from the highs of 60s
Yeah,
to now a
sad.
38 to a now 38. So we had a what did I do? No, I gotta refresh this. So yeah, man, we've had a 30% uh downfall since few days ago for Bitcoin, and a 50% bearishness from the all-time high that we had a few months back. So yeah, definitely dumpy, and that is the truth. But here, apparently in the morning, like 6 in the morning, we hit a bottom here, like a big low of $32,000, and that happened in a span of like few uh like less than an hour. We dropped from 38,000 to 32, and this is definitely like FUD. You know what I mean? This is definitely like the whole thing is FUD.
I know.
Um,
Part of me
but
feels like buying more. I can't lie. Like I'm worried to
yeah,
lose what I have in there because I'm not selling. Like, yo, I haven't. I'm not. I have sold some ETH, but I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin right now. None.
definitely. Right now is not the time to sell, bro.
Even if
It's
I have to end up holding for a year, I don't know. I'm not going to sell it. But at the same time, yo, I've been feeling like part of me has been like, should I buy? But it's just the sadness. Like if I buy, I'm buying with the rest of what I have in fiat that I need in life. But part of me
yeah,
wants to buy because I feel like it probably will just take off, and
yeah.
I'll just fix my position in the game will be fantastic.
Fantastic. Yeah, bro. This is for all the people that thought crypto money is like easy money. You know what I mean? Including all of us in a way. But some people have, like if you believe in projects, if you are to hold long term, basically, uh, yeah. If you have extra fiat, like if I did have extra cash right now, I would have bought some around here. Maybe I would have waited a few days. Maybe we go even further down, and that doesn't really worry me right now after like studying it a little bit. Um, Now we're getting higher lows again. In the like this morning, we're getting higher lows, and that's pretty cool. Like we're just going below 38,000 right now, but these could be good ground. This could be a good platform for a shoot up. But apparently, we're not gonna see a like a 1 day upward movement. We're not gonna shoot back up to the 45, 50,000 in a day. Like, of course not. If that happens, that's very uh, unimaginable, actually. But gradually, we're gonna shoot back up to the 50s, man, and that's the truth. Maybe we go, maybe we stay under 40,000, uh, like in these levels for another week, and that's very worrying. I know a lot of people are gonna sell again. Um,
Don't sell. Every
yeah,
time we fall victim to the FUD and we sell, we're basically making the FUD come true. It's like
true.
if they
Yeah,
force you to sell it out of fear and we don't sell it, then nothing changes. We win. Even if they make their big dump, like these whales make a big dump for market manipulation and we hold tight, we don't have no
true,
weak hands. We're
true.
good. Don't let Marky Mark and the funky dump get the best of you, basically.
Exactly, man.
Don't be
Yeah,
a
so
waste hand.
no, exactly, because the bull run is not over, and
No.
you gotta have diamond hands. Elon Musk tweeted today that Tesla has diamond hands. I always try not to talk about this guy, but he's in the news all the
Yo,
time
he's playing games
on
with us.
crypto.
All
He is,
he's doing is he's playing games. This is marketing. If he was a rapper, he's doing the perfect thing. He's about to drop an album, which is he's
yeah,
saying, like he's saying it's too hard for him to make a blockchain. That's a lie. He doesn't have to do shit. He has
right,
money. It's not hard to make anything when you have money. You pay
yeah,
someone to make it. You
yeah.
sit down,
Nah, he's playing around, man. He's
playing games
definitely
with
playing
us.
around.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I tell him, don't look at me. Look at the charts.
Yeah, straight up, man. If we zoom out, which we must do all the time, like you zoom out, you don't look at the short term, you take a look at it. Even if we zoom out, we have dropped 50% since our all-time high for Bitcoin. And the whole market is crashing because of it too. Like we're not gonna take a look at any other coins today. I don't think it's necessary. We all know that overall we're down. Everyone's down. Like
Let's look at some ETH if you're okay. I'd love to discuss ETH because that's like a big part of my life.
yeah, mine too. We're down 23% from yesterday. We're down to 2,500 for ETH.
It's like I
Our
bought ETH at like 300 something dollars,
Oh yeah, no,
right?
you're still like a 20x, bro.
But it's still sad. That's the thing.
No,
You
it's
get
that.
used to it. It grows and you get used to it, and that's a new
Yeah,
price. And it's like, oh,
definitely.
because, but yeah, no, definitely my ETH is. It's sad to see a Canadian. It looks even more sad because a Canadian, it's 2,000 something,
Yeah,
and that's scary, yo.
yeah,
Like that's a scary number to see the ETH at. But I guess it's good because it's not like we have some good adoption news, so it's not going anywhere.
Yeah,
But
no,
so hurry
definitely,
up,
man.
man. Pump it,
Definitely.
pump
See,
it.
see, this is the most intense drop since 3 years ago. Like this is real. This is real. But and you gotta be, you gotta be a little bit crazy to be in this crypto world. And I think we all are a little bit crazy. And but that's a good thing because this is a risky game, man. Um, a lot of people have sold right now. We have the biggest liquidation for BTC apparently ever. 10,500 bitcoins liquidated just yesterday. So we're seeing some crazy stuff. Like you
Makes
see,
sense.
and there are a few reasons for it. One is that dollar is becoming very strong amid amid all the inflations that's happening with it. You know what I mean? The inflation is still happening, but US dollar is becoming stronger. And you see the whole the stock market is down 2-3%. You know what I mean? Like all the markets are being kind of affected with dollar getting stronger. And China ban on Bitcoin is kind of
Ah,
renewed.
man. Honestly, bro, the China ban to me, you know what all these governments, you know what these governments are like? They're like Elon to me, man. It's like she
Yeah,
loves me not. She loves me, she loves me not. It's banned. We're gonna adopt it. It's banned actually. No, we're gonna adopt it. It's like they don't know what they're doing. They're just panicking. They're grasping at straws last minute because they know that even if this dollar is getting strong in America and in these other countries, the fiat is gaining some traction. The reality of it is there's still inflation. The reality of it is it's still going to crash heavy when it does. You know what I mean?
true.
So it's like,
No, yeah, it's an old news. Like they're not doing anything new. They announced this ban, I think last year or maybe like 6, 7 months ago, and
yeah,
not nothing is new. But it's the they're kind of talking about it again. And let's see what Pejman is saying. Our dedicated viewer here. Should we buy, or is the crypto market doomed? Nah, man.
not doomed.
Diamond hands, bro. I haven't sold anything actually because I believe that we're gonna shoot back up.
I sold a little bit
Uh,
of ETH, man. I sold a little bit of ETH to be transparent. I sold maybe like 5% of my ETH, and then
yeah.
the rest of it I'm holding.
Oh,
And if I'm on the verge of buying, I keep thinking should I buy, but like I'm not a millionaire. You know what I mean? So the money I'm holding, the fiat I'm holding, it's like
we
I have
need
to
to
be
live.
smart.
We need
It's
to
like
live too.
when you see these other people on YouTube, it's like, ah man, ADA went up. Well, it's $1 now, and I'm gonna sell 50%. It's like, okay, 50% of their portfolio is a lot of money because they put a lot of money into it. For me, it's like I'm not gonna sell it at 50%. That's like I made like what a few $1,000 right now. That's not worth it. I'm gonna wait. But buying right now, again, it's not financial advice, but I do honestly think what you're saying is correct, bro. It's like, yeah, I'm on the verge of almost buying. I might buy some Bitcoin for sure. I might buy it, but I might buy some ETH, man, because
Everything is
it's
on
looking
sale,
nice and
bro.
low right now.
Everything is on sale, man.
Yeah,
And that is true. If you believe in crypto world, which I think we both do, and a lot of other people do, we're gonna be victors at the end of this bull run. And yeah, definitely, it's not over. And yeah, as I said, you gotta be a little bit crazy to be in this crypto world because you might wake up the next day and you might have half of your assets gone.
but you
Well,
also might wake up the next day and all of a sudden have like thousands of dollars.
which is going to happen. We're going to go to $100,000 for Bitcoin, man.
Yeah,
Like
and all these
if
waste
that,
hands.
yeah, that's true. And talking about waste hands, if we wanna, if we wanna go back to the, excuse me, charts real quick, I must say that, um, yeah, like Bitcoin market cap is at 700 billion right now. And if you remember, a month ago we were above a trillion with it, and Ethereum was above 400,000. Now we are 300,000.
Yeah,
USDT, a lot of people have converted into this stable coin. That's why USDT is sitting at number three as far as market cap
because
above
people are trying to
BNB.
jump back in.
Yeah,
That just shows that people are ready to jump back in. They're just scared, so they're holding a they're on the safety bridge.
they want to
That's what
buy
whichever
at
is.
the lowest price. They want
Yeah,
to buy at the lowest price. You're correct. And then yeah, BNB and ADA dropped in market cap because of it. Doge is down quite a bit too, man. Uh, yeah, if we want to just go over the market quickly, we're seeing green. Sorry, we're seeing red everywhere, man. Some of them 20, 30%, 20, like, yeah, 30% for most of the coins, most of the other altcoins that we are down, man. Even some of the bigger coins like Uni is down 26%, Litecoin 30%, Chain Link 25% down, Matic, which was holding beautifully above $2, now we are down 22%, still holding pretty good, I would say.
exactly.
But
Fanatic,
we
fanatic all day.
all day, man. Yeah, but we're kind of down. Solana was doing great yesterday. Solana was up like 20%. Now we're down to 20%. So yeah, you remember we talked about Aave? Aave down 24%. We were at 620 yesterday, man, and now we're at
Holy.
472. So no matter what you were holding, as far as coins, tokens, and altcoins,
Mm-hmm.
now we're down. Now you should be down 20 to
Well,
30%.
yo,
So yeah,
sorry, go on.
no, that's it. Go on.
I was just saying, I was gonna make a dumb joke. You know me. I was gonna say the GER token, the Gorilla Music token,
Yeah.
winning right now.
Oh,
Steady,
talk.
strong, the same value as it was before the market dumped. Zero.
Yes. And then, yo, I got good news. We're going to talk about after this. I found a programmer. We're going to have a sit down soon.
Get out of my face. What did you just say?
Yeah, I found someone. We'll see if he can manage to take care of our situation. But we got someone to sit down with in the meeting,
Bro,
and
I'm
we'll
gonna
see
throw
it.
the computer right now.
No, don't do it. We need
I'm
it.
hype.
We
I'm
need it.
throwing it. I'm
We
throwing it
need
right
it
now.
for tomorrow. Come
Guys, the
on,
show's
man.
over. I'm throwing the computer. We may have found a pro. Yo, let's get excited for a second. We don't say too much, but if we did find a programmer, first of all, thank you for hunting as you've been doing. But
Yeah.
yo, we're about to go to the moon. Let me tell
Yeah,
you.
bro.
And not
And
only that, we're about to build things that are going to help the people while
yeah,
we head
yeah.
to the moon.
Good, yeah, because I found a programmer for the actual thing, like to
Blockchain.
create the system. I don't know what it's called, but yeah,
Oh, like what we were talking about?
I think he can do it. Yeah, I think he can do it.
Like we'll just say this, like the dunya?
The dunya,
Yeah?
the dunya.
No.
Maybe, hopefully,
Bro,
hopefully.
I'm going to sleep. All right. Show's over,
Okay.
guys. I'm just
so, so yeah, man. There's blood on the streets. They say.
what?
They say there's blood on the streets now. Everywhere's red, bro. Whoever was holding is panicking right now. And imagine if you got like millions, bro. Imagine if you got
Yeah.
millions in this crypto stuff.
Oh, that's a lot. Like for me, it hurts just watching my bag go down. The more
Yes.
you have, the bigger it looks. The bigger amount is gone.
Yeah, man. If you lost a million overnight or in like 2 days,
Exactly.
then you're in a different different situation than most of us, man. But
But I'll
but
free
yeah,
Palestine and
free
Bitcoin east to the moon.
Palestine. Yes, east to the moon, free Palestine. But yo, we are on track, apparently, to greatness. We're gonna see a 3x. No, this is true, bro. We're gonna see a 3x for Bitcoin by end of this bull run. And
Bro.
as they say, as Pejman mentioned here too, we really have to take a very close look at the market in the next few days. Actually, for remaining of May, we have 11 more days to till next month.
Yeah.
This month, we really have to be glued to the charts and I think that we're gonna bounce back, man. After this FUD is over. Elon Musk's tweet is a little bit of hope, even though I hate the guy now. Like it's not bad. Like he just promised that he's not gonna sell his Tesla Bitcoin. Like Tesla's not gonna sell their Bitcoin,
Yeah.
basically. And but yeah, the liquidation is quite real too. But these are the weak hands, as you mentioned.
And this
These
is
are,
gonna go up and down anyways. This is just a bad ride. This is like a bad wave. You know, it's like it happened. It's going to happen again. It's like so we watch the charts again, but then what's gonna happen is by the end of June,
yes,
again there's gonna be a little dumpiness.
probably, yes.
And by the beginning of July, there's gonna be that's when the market's gonna really affect us because that's where we're gonna get the quarter two earnings and all the financial stats from these companies.
To see who's done what and who's
And then it's
sold
like,
and
oh,
who's
they're holding. Oh, they sold. Oh, Elon lied. Ah, you know what I mean? Like, so Elon's back in
exactly.
the news that time, probably as a liar. Who knows? Like, maybe
Yeah.
he's telling the truth, but something's gonna happen. Even so, we watch the markets now for sure. And then just remember, at the end of every month, this happens. This has been happening at the end of every month, and especially at the end and beginning of the new quarter,
Mhm.
right? So
Yeah.
there's gonna be another quarter two situation, and we're gonna see some effect in the market, positive effect, 90% chance positive effect when layer two is ready,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Mhm.
And like there's so many other ways to deal with layer two. Like so layer two situations are being met as we speak. You know what I mean? Like
Right.
different people are dealing with layer two, trying to help it easy, make it easier basically. I'm
That's
rambling, but
Ethereum, right? That's Ethereum.
that's on
Layer two for
Ethereum to deal
Ethereum.
with the gases, to deal
Yeah.
with the gas and all of that.
Yeah.
And I think that's what's been, even though ETH has been pumping. So forget what it looks like now. It's been pumping. It's
Yeah.
gonna pass this all-time high times 10, I feel, because like that's when it's like, oh, ETH might go to 100,000. That's what might really push it. Because Aurora
Mhm.
is another token right now, blockchain, Aurora.development. They're basically allowing Ethereum dApps to benefit from Near Protocol's bridge. And Near Protocol's bridge basically helps is a layer on top of Ethereum that helps it with its gas issues,
Okay.
transaction issues.
Mhm.
So
That's
that's
cool.
like solutions are coming, and
Right.
while
Yeah.
solutions come, people are really trying to fight it. And like we keep saying over and over, man, like this is actually like a war on class. This is a class war, and at the same time within it it's a class war because people are grasping into this crypto space and they want to have that classism so they
Yeah.
can be the elite. And
And
it's
then
also
amongst the banks and the governments and everyone else too, right? Yeah.
that's exactly what I'm saying,
Yeah.
exactly. So it just
Mhm.
becomes a class war all around, and so on both
True.
levels. And that's it is what it is, man. That's what it is, and we're out here, man. Just don't be weak hands. The only weapon they got against us is
This is
their laws, obviously, their laws, but they're like their harsh laws are last minute, their last resort ways to attack us. Their first resort ways to attack us is through FUD, like through society. In reality, man, most of the governments when they do things that are and big businesses when they do things to the mass population where governments and major businesses where we face some type of like bad time, turbulence. Often it's not forced on us. It's often tricked on us. It's often FUD of different sorts. It's
yeah.
often fear. It's often through fear. They give us options. We still have the free will to go where we want, but they make it harder to go this way.
They
So what
create
they're
the environment so you think a certain way. Yes.
exactly. Why are you gonna walk through the
Yeah.
rain when they put sun here? Walk through the sun, but that's the way you gotta go. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's what they're basically doing, man. They've been doing that through every war, man, from big and small. And that's what they're
True.
doing through this class war right now.
Yes.
And the
Uh,
people will win.
yeah, I think like the situation of the earth and these wars and the COVID uncertainties and stuff definitely have an effect on it. I don't know how so directly, but the FUD is just like could be fear of anything, and then that fear, we all know that fear can be murderous, right? So
Murder us.
more the rest. So yeah, Pejman is saying we're going to talk about ETH very soon too. Again, we're going to take a look at ETH chart because you asked to, and I also my most holding is Ethereum too. So I'd like to take a look at the charts
Go ahead,
too.
yeah. Let's
Yeah,
let's go, let's go to it.
we'll get into it, yeah, in a second. But Pejman here mentioned something. He's like, yo, people are having problem depositing into their apps to buy crypto, and that is true. Apparently, Binance is having issues now with the longs and the yeah, some of the functions they announced this morning that it's not uh, uh, working today, and
Yeah.
And these are all kind of like, colonizing situations too. Like this is colonizer
Yeah.
stuff, I feel like, and
It's
we just have to briefly mention it
we
at the
just gotta
least.
wait. We just have to wait. Like these are the problems. They're not letting you deposit. It's like at least you could somewhat take out. Like banks are making it hard to take money out sometimes. It's like, yo, they're making it really difficult. But
Mhm.
that's the whole thing. While they create a problem, what they don't realize is there's someone else out there already that's going to be right now, while this is a problem, like Bittrex, Binance, they're having
Yeah.
issues with not just putting money in, but also taking money out.
Mhm.
And for Canadians also. But the issue, only one that works for me is ShakePay, man. For depositing in and out doesn't work for me unless I do it through my ETH wallets or my Bitcoin wallets. I send it to my ShakePay Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet, and I send it from that wallet address to my Ethereum and Bitcoin in Binance, Ethereum address to MetaMask, vice versa. My entrance and exit from Canadian dollars, my bank is ShakePay, and
That
luckily
works.
that still works for now. But I
Great.
am
Knock on
worried.
wood. Yeah.
Having one thing like that is worrisome because they can stop the whole game just by doing that, and it's like, yo, someone else is creating a solution. So while a problem is shown, this space is filled with so many developers. Someone
Yeah.
else is creating a solution. And eventually, we're going to have dApps that are so decentralized, no one can stop it. That's the goal, to have a decentralized dApp that will let no one let it force it to malfunction due to their political reasons. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Yeah.
Like, oh, the
Hopefully.
IRS could be looking at a company one day, and there'll be a dApp so decentralized that even the IRS can't
They
stop it.
can't
Because
do
even
nothing. Yeah.
the founder of the dApp is going to be like, well, I can't do anything. It's decentralized. That's how it works on its own, you
Yeah.
know? And that's when the people win. But it needs to
Hopefully.
become really decentralized, man.
Yes, that's the aim, man. You're
Yeah.
right. That's the aim. So yeah, man. As far as the market, we're below the 21-week moving average for Bitcoin, and my assumptions are that the worst case, like I'm getting this from someone else. This isn't me thinking freely, but some of the people I believe
We all
in.
get this from other people, anyways.
Yeah, exactly. They say the worst case is that next few weeks we're going to see some more bearishness, but that's it. After that, we're mooning, man. We're shooting back up, and that's the
That's what you said.
scenario apparently.
I have a question, brother. A
Yes,
question
buddy.
for you, for Pidgeman's question is
Yeah,
do you know if your brother Pidgeman, are you in Iran or here? Where is he?
yeah. He's in Iran right now.
Does PayPal work out there?
I don't think it does, man. I don't know. We'll see. Pejman, does PayPal work or?
Or Venmo? Because both of these accept crypto. So if you
Oh,
can't
good
take it
point.
out from that wallet right now, if you can't withdraw from trust to your bank account in Iran,
PayPal it, eh?
you PayPal it to yourself
Oh.
or Venmo it to yourself and convert that into the cash. And then you'll be able to pull out your cash through your bank. Because
True. Yeah, thank you. That's
either
the solution.
Venmo or PayPal probably works with your cash there.
CIBC, he said.
CIBC.
Maybe. I don't know.
Ooh, bro, if you're CIBC, what you need to do is you need to get a ShakePay account. ShakePay.
He needs to, yeah, I think I told him about that. I think he needs like a proper VPN to be able to
Get that?
trick ShakePay into like,
He
because
needs a
he's a
proper VPN.
Canadian. Because he's a Canadian, but he's out there. So ShakePay, if they look at the location, they might not let him do any transactions. But
Yeah, you might have to You're right. You might have to VPN. Yo, use if you're gonna. First of all, you need a VPN on your phone. That's the one thing, because most of it's gonna be done through your phone. But if you want to, you can do it through your computer. If you're gonna use your computer, it's easier with the VPN because then you could just go to Brave. Use Brave browser.
mhm.
It gives you. It has a free VPN. It has a free VPN. If you say it fast, it makes sense. It has a free VPN. And what do you say after that? If he's saying is it a third party? It is a third party. So you use the free VPN, you download and register for ShakePay. The only problem is you will need some type of Canadian ID.
I think
If
he's got those. I think he's got those.
then you register for Shake Pay, and in reality, you might doesn't matter where you are. I think you could use it as long as you have your Canadian ID. I think you could use Shake Pay anywhere. You just
True.
have to
Yeah.
prove that you're Canadian, you have Canadian ID. Then, yo, once that happens, brother, you send whatever tokens you have in your Trust wallet, you make it into ETH or Bitcoin through your Trust wallet. So if you have other tokens, you trade it. You make it ETH or Bitcoin, and then you send it from your Bitcoin or ETH wallet into your ShakePay address. So let's use Ethereum for example. Your ShakePay wallet will have its own Ethereum address and its own Bitcoin address. So you send it from your Ethereum address from Trust Wallet to your Ethereum address in ShakePay. Bada boom, bada bing. You instantly convert that into Canadian dollar. Instantly send that to your bank. It's basically like sending an e-transfer. So if you
Easy.
download ShakePay, brother, and have any questions, I guess message demand them. But yo, you'll figure this one out. That's the way to do it. Still,
Boom. Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, I
you got
got
to
some
maneuver,
information
bro.
out of that too, bro.
Hood shit.
Yes, sir. So, so yeah, man. Let's take a look at Ethereum because
Yeah, let's go.
you remember we talked about Ethereum. It was doing like steps upwards, like stair steps in all the way up to where it was above 4,000 American. But now we are at kind of yeah, 2,600. I'm gonna take a look at share the screen with you guys on Ethereum right here. Yeah, man, Ethereum dumping quite nice too because of Bitcoin. These gains, like these green candles, weekly green candles, we're on a 1 week moving average chart right here. Uh, every week we were up, and if we did have a green candle in the past year, basically, sorry, if we did have a red candle, it was a very small one. And again, this is the weekly chart. So yeah, the gradual upward movement of Ethereum was very solid to to the 4,000 mark and above, and now we're seeing dumpiness from there to here, which is like almost like a at least like 40%, something around there, 40% dump for Ethereum as well, and it definitely is scary. It doesn't matter how much you believe in different projects. For example, ETH here, it's still you have lost this much money, so it's justified to be worried about your holdings. But for a coin to do this good over the past year, we're just going to talk about like last year till now for Ethereum, and for a coin to do this good, that means that it's a solid project. And as soon as Bitcoin starts pumping again, which is hopefully in like the latest by next week, you know what I mean? Like, and I'm not talking like from 38,000 to 68,000 in like a few days. No, we're gonna make gradual upward movements again with Ethereum, and actually for rest of the market too, man. For the rest of the market, I predict the same thing.
We're
Um,
gonna be bull pumping basically.
yeah, bull pumping, no joke, bro. But yeah, I must say that yeah, on the 1 hour moving average, we are seeing downwards movement too. It tried to recover. People started buying here again in 6 in the morning, where it dumped this morning, and we made some gradual upward movements back to 2,800 from 2,300. So we even saw $2,300 per Ethereum this
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah,
When
I know we did. I saw
yeah,
it and I almost cried.
yeah, it definitely like yeah, it's justified to shed a few tears right now. But overall, definitely bullish, and I'm not talking out of my backside. I am definitely a believer,
I don't
basically.
know. I feel like I just keep hearing Pac's voice being disappointed in it.
Yeah.
Metallic rain, holler if you hear me.
Yeah, man. Yo, this looks scary. I'm not gonna lie, man. This dumpiness of this is the 1 day moving average. Like we have dropped a tremendous amount from 3,300 yesterday to 2,600, and That is scary, man. That is scary. But yeah, we'll see if we can hold above the 2,500 line for Ethereum over here and bounce back up. And that's pretty much it for Ethereum. And yeah, man. Hey, what's up, Koala? Um, yeah, man. I ain't got much to say. Look at the smokiness of life, man. Right here. Yo, I don't think any crypto show hosts are laughing like we are.
No, they're just like this. They're like,
Yeah, they're like,
yeah, welcome to the biggest Bitcoin show, crypto show on the entire interweb. Hit the like button, smash it very gently. Today on crypto news, we got all saying crypto. It's going up, it's going down. Fibonacci sequence. It's probably going to go up. It's probably going to go down. 50% up, 50% down. 100% facts. Yeah, that's right. Now check it out. Hodl, 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 hodl,
hold on,
hodl, hodl, hodl.
hold on,
And
hold on,
people are
hold
like, "What are you talking about?"
on.
It's just like hodl. That's what hodl sounds like. We were talking about it before. Hodl sounds like, you guys know Game of Thrones.
Yes,
Hodl,
yes. Hold the door. Hold on.
hodl, bro. That should be the biggest crypto meme right now for what people need to do. They need to hodl.
I know.
You
Yeah,
know what I
let's
mean?
make that. Let's post it on our page. Why not?
You know
Let's
what?
do it.
Consider it done and consider it posted.
Posted already. Done.
Huh? Who's the poster boy, boy?
We
Who's the poster boy?
we speak things into existence.
Yo,
Talk to them.
check it. I'm gonna give some people some news right here.
Let's get into it. Adoption news with King, Crypto, Mizzo, Kingsley, King of the older realms of
Yo,
Kryptonic.
hold on.
Hold on.
Yo, Marcel Petchman, all right, wrote this. A little bit of hope during these times of FUD, right? While it rains, someone needs to hold up the umbrella. And Marcel Petchman is the one to do it. And we thank you, Marcel Petchman. We thank you for the umbrella you hold, the largest umbrella that's covering the entire crypto sphere, keeping us
Thank you.
dry from the pain and
Thank
the
you.
rain.
Thank you.
3 good reasons why
Why?
30,000 US is probably the bottom for Bitcoin.
I hope.
Regulatory concerns, a bit of FUD, and the uncertainties surrounding Tether appear to have exaggerated the Bitcoin price sell off. But derivatives data suggests that the bottom is likely in. After an agonizing 35% loss in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin finally bounced at 30,000 earlier today in the May 19th trading season. In the May 19th trading session. So this is a few days old still. I don't know why I got this right now as today's news.
Still though.
Whatever.
Because I think we kind of went below the 33,000
We
mark
did. Yeah, we did. Eh?
briefly, right? Very briefly to 32, I think, this
Well,
morning.
guess what? See this then? Article's done. So what was his name again? He gave us a false umbrella with holes in it. Your umbrella had holes in it, sir.
Definitely, yeah. A
You
little bit
owe
of
us
holy.
8.01 ETH. Okay, this might be news. Is it or is it not? One way to find out. The Ledger hardware wallet, which
Huh.
I love. I have. I bought this when I had maybe 300, less than $300 in crypto. And I love it. It's my Ledger
Oh,
Nano.
did that just come in the mail or you had this
No, I
with
had
it?
it for a long time.
Okay.
This is where all my holdings are.
Okay. Okay. So you put it back in the box too.
Oh, it's
After
there,
you.
safe, like
Okay. Boom.
layers.
Bam. Bam. Okay. Okay. Everyone needs one of those to be safe, no
So
doubt.
it's like this, you put the code on, your passphrases in here as well.
Okay.
Normal plug-in, you plug it into the USB. This goes right on the back. You know what I mean? And
Boom.
boom, you just log right in. It's a Nano S, so it doesn't have much space. But then you open up your Ledger app actually on your computer
Yeah.
with that plugged in, and then you can see your wallets easier. And you
Uh-huh.
can also add wallets. You could add. It starts with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you can add things like ADA, Cardano. You could add Polkadot, and they've been adding a lot of options. But to
That's
be
cool.
honest, most of my holding in here is just
E.
my ETH and Bitcoin.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
the
Okay.
Bitcoin
Yeah.
I'm going to never sell is in here.
Yes. Yes.
Like never. I'm never selling it ever.
Ever.
Yeah, can't even hold it. Like literally, I can't even hold it.
Can't even
It's
hold
fine.
it.
But Ledger hardware wallet, this is great. At least for one, if you guys invested, it just shows a lot of people invested into crypto. And I know also there's a lot of new people because people that have been bugging for over a year and a half, people have been finally getting at me like, yo, should I buy this token? Should I not buy this token? Should I buy this? Should I not buy that? Most people do. I have to give a shout out to Doge though. A big reason a lot of people jumped into crypto finally after a year and a half of me bothering them
Was Doge.
was Doge. They're like, hey, Miz, I'm going to buy Doge. Where do I buy Doge?
Right.
And in
Yeah.
my brain, I'm not going to tell them not to. But I'm like, yo, here's some other things and look at utility, just a little bit of advice, blah, blah, blah. But they just want Doge. They did it. They didn't sell it. They lost. And that's okay. And a lot of them don't want to be in the game anymore. And a lot of them still want to stay in the game because they listened and they diversified. And they knew that what Doge was. I broke it down to them, you know?
Mhm.
And it's cool. But yo, most of them have been asking me, so what other wallets do I get? Binance. Most of them are on Binance. In Canada, most of them are on ShakePay. And those are the regulars that people are going to. This seems to be the Facebook of it all. You know what I mean?
True.
And then just to hear what new people, what they naturally gravitate towards. It's Binance for trading. It's ShakePay for in and out from your Canadian wallet bank account, and it's Ledger. Everyone is most of them are asking me where do I buy a Ledger. So I tell them you go directly to the website. You don't want to buy it anywhere else. You don't want a hacked version of it. You go directly to the website. You buy a Ledger.
What is it called again?
LEDGER.
Okay. Boom.
And a
LED.
Ledger Nano is actually worth it, brother. I think this is like $60 or something like that, man. And I feel safe keeping my dough in here, you know?
Very nice.
And if you ever lose this, you could still, as long as you have your passphrase, you could still get on through the app and you could buy a new one.
True.
If you, in case you ever lose this.
Okay. Okay.
But Ledger hardware wallet provider, they saw 500% revenue surge in Q1. That's like people like my cousin buying ledgers, man. And that makes me excited. So I go back and forth when I read stories, you know this.
Yeah,
But
it's great.
it's about the conversation, you know?
This is how we do.
It's Roadman things.
Yes, sir.
And it's like, I just feel like jump in any time, but I feel like when I see something like this, it is a sense of hope. This is an umbrella, right? During these times, because
That
people,
means, sorry to cut you off. That
no,
means, okay, maybe I'm just saying what you're about to say, but that means people are looking at crypto long term, right? When they buy a ledger, right? Okay, boom.
that's exactly what I know. Jump in any time, brother, because that's
Yeah.
what I feel. Exactly that. People are looking at crypto long term and they've invested now. They've invested into a hard wallet. Even this little money, they invested in something. They have to, I feel it's harder just to jump out and be like, yeah, I don't want this anymore. Throw this in the garbage. It's like, nah, it's easier to not use your wallet anymore that you logged onto. But it's harder to see this on your desk every day and know that, yo, there's some tokens in there. What are you going to do with it? You know what I mean? It's like any stocks, man. You buy it low, blah, blah, blah. But like this actually gives you a nice X. But that's cool to see that as adoption news that many people have adopted the Ledger. The Ledger company behind the Ledger Nano S and Nano X hardware wallets, which allow users to self-custody digital assets such as Bitcoin. It competes for market share with Trezor and several other lesser-known wallets. Trezor, Trezor, is another one that is a hardware wallet. But I don't know. I went with Ledger. Seems to be the leading.
Right. That's the most used and most famous one.
So now let's go to Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo Investment Institute to onboard crypto clients by next month. We spoke maybe a few weeks ago about Wells Fargo making crypto, Ethereum and Bitcoin, or Bitcoin accessible to their most high-end clients. So it's accessible in their portfolio. But now they're talking about onboarding crypto clients by next month. So it's about to really go down. The investment bank is ready to give crypto a chance after declaring that it had matured and evolved as of late. Wells Fargo Investment Institute announced that it will soon open an investment product for its wealthy clients, with President Darren Cronk declaring the firm's stance that cryptocurrency space has finally come of age. See, we knew that. But the research division of Wells Fargo Wealth Investment Management, which oversees close to 2 trillion in assets, 2 trillion, is in the
Mhm.
process of evaluating and onboarding its cryptocurrency investment platform for qualified investors. The platform is expected to be launched by around mid-June, after the
Oh,
final stage of the due diligence process.
wow.
You know what that means? So that's another good
Okay,
time. Like
that's
the timing
true.
that you kind of gave us,
Hmm. It
when you hear
matches
this type
this.
of news, it matches. You
Hmm.
know,
And then if there are to like these new investors, if they are to invest into crypto, this is a great time for them to jump in, right?
great time to
So
jump in. And then you
yeah.
have FUD. I don't want to keep sharing FUD, but if you look at the names involved in the like, I hate Bitcoin. Actually, I love it now. Oh, I really hate it. I'm going to talk shit about it publicly. No, I love it today. Like these are the same like muskies. You know,
Yes, muskies
all
creating
these guys
FUD.
are musketeers. You know,
Hmm.
and these musketeers, this is what they do. JP Morgan is one of them. You know, institutional investors dump Bitcoin for gold. That's what an analysis from JP Morgan says. They have to be speaking some facts and stats, right? If you're going to do some analyzing through JP Morgan, when you talk about people dumping Bitcoin for
Okay.
gold,
Yeah.
it has to
Hmm.
be in the numbers somewhere.
Yeah.
Um, but at the same time, man, I look at JP Morgan as some of the FUD leaders because they need it. Like they still don't have a full foot into this space. They don't have full control like they want in this space yet. And you know what I mean? So I think they're ready to push more FUD. But amid
Yeah.
Bitcoin touching 5-month low near 30,000, JP Morgan Chase analysts suggest that large institutional investors are now dumping Bitcoin in favor of gold. In its Tuesday note to clients, JP Morgan suggested that institutional investors are going back to gold, reversing a major bullish cryptocurrency market action that drove Bitcoin's price above 64,000 American in mid-April. The Bitcoin flow picture continues to deteriorate and is pointing to continued retrenchment by institutional investors. Over the past month, Bitcoin futures markets experienced their steepest and more sustained liquidation since the Bitcoin ascent started last October. Despite pointing out the latest trend reversal of gold over Bitcoin, JP Morgan still maintains its previous forecast that Bitcoin is on track to hit 140,000 in the long term. This 140K price should be thought of as a long term theoretical target, assuming a convergence of Bitcoin volatility to that of gold and an equalization of Bitcoin allocations of that of gold in investor portfolios. So it's cool what they're saying. But real man them talk to break it down instead of like, oh, tis thee die and tis thou on thus, and thus this does this. Yo, what these guys are trying to say in regular language is Bitcoin is still on track to hit 140K as they saw fit, and agreed with, that JP Morgan agreed with. And they're
Okay.
seeing as a long-term goal. They're not saying what they mean by long-term. Is it long-term for this run? Is it long-term in
Yeah.
4 years? They're not saying that, but that's what they are saying. So that's good news
Hmm.
within the article of FUD, but the headline is pure FUD. You know what I mean?
True. Yeah. Yeah. That they're gonna convert, like they're gonna go to gold because yeah.
And it makes sense. The psychology makes sense as a possibility because even me, I'd be lying. I'm not going to be one of those hardcore people on here. Like, like there's a lot of shaming in the crypto space. It's like, bro, I grew up on the block, man. It's like if I were to succumb to peer pressure and have to give in and be worried about shaming, I'd still be a crip and I'd be making garbage rap music. You know what I mean? Like I don't do that. You know what I mean?
True.
So,
Yeah.
but it's like a lot of shaming. Like, oh, this guy made sales and he's selling his ETH. Who cares? You know what I mean? So people need to
Yeah.
make profit, but in this space, I don't know, man. Even me, I had a conversation yesterday. I was like, oh, look at it dripping. I'm like, yo, should I buy some gold? I literally said that out loud yesterday
Hmm.
before I read this article.
Yeah.
So I get people's mentality. You know what I mean? Like we're all connected. And even if we're connected spiritually in every way, man, like this is part of it. These thoughts are a part of it. And yeah, man, that's where we're at, bro. So people are kind of worried and the gold thing makes sense. Go ahead, buy gold, but don't sell
Yeah.
your Bitcoin,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. Nah. True. Gold and dollar both getting stronger now, man.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the inflation of dollar is happening
Yeah.
also at the same time. So it's like a there are a lot of confusing situations that are happening right now. But if we're just talking, yeah, strictly crypto, man, I feel like we're bouncing back, but we might see another week of uh
Bro.
bearishness.
Digital. I'm gonna break off topic for a minute. Digital currency, right? So I
Yeah.
know it's digital currency, but you remember back in the day, there was those things where you can get like a Bitcoin. You know,
Mm,
before like you could get a Bitcoin,
okay.
and it was like, yo, imagine a wallet, a hold wallet, a company that creates hold wallets, but their hold wallets also include wearables. So their hold wallet includes a gold ring that has the value of your Bitcoin tied into it.
Okay. Whoa. All right.
You know what I mean? There's just an
Yeah.
idea I'm just throwing out there, a little quick brain.
Yeah.
But wearable wallets where it is gold. So you have gold. Like Bullion X, they sponsored one of the Gorilla Music. It's not a plug, but they sponsored one of the Gorilla Music events last year in the VR space that we used to have. And they minted five, only five gold tokens. And the gold tokens are Bullion X tokens. Matter of fact, I'm going to bring you to the page.
Let's do it. Yeah. Now I kind of know what you're saying. Yeah. Now I
Right?
kind of know, like the physical Bitcoin. You know, like yeah, yeah. I kind of, yeah. I think I kind of get it. I just can't explain.
Yeah, no, if you can, like exactly, like explain it however, but it's like, yeah. I just mean like, yeah, you people want digital currency because digital currency. But if man, this is Roadman things. If you can wear a ring that is like people are buying like $200,000 rings, right? Why not buy a ring that's worth one Bitcoin? Like one Bitcoin. Like this ring is one Bitcoin no matter what.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah. That's
Plus,
good.
it has this much gold in it. So the value of the gold stuck in it is still the value of the gold. You feel me? Like
Right. Right. Yo, that's the future. Actually,
I
I
think that
like
could be
that.
a dope thing.
I like that.
I just want to find this Bullion X thing, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm
Yo,
taking
what?
a
No, while you do that, Pejman is asking about a few different coins in the
let's
like
go
some
give
of these comments.
let's talk about it.
Uh, he said Safe Moon and stuff. I just don't know about Safe Moon, bro. Personally, I know a lot of people have had big gains on Safe Moon, but I don't know. Maybe I'm misinformed. Maybe I don't know enough about it. But for Safe Moon, if it's an eco-friendly coin token, then that's good, man. But I have to do more research. And then you asked about Phantom also, Pejman.
Oh.
Yeah, but yeah, why lie, man? I don't know much about Phantom.
Well,
Uh,
Phantom's good with the music stuff. I know they're good with their NFTs. I know about their
okay,
NFT part. I don't know about their token, but I'll say Phantom has a good NFT ecosystem. They're kind of niche where not everyone's buying stuff from their blockchain yet, but they have a dope ecosystem where their NFTs have brought some of they're focused on a lot of good music NFTs.
good, good. All
Like
right.
Kill Bill, the rapper, one of his first NFTs are with Phantom and Static Selecta.
Mm-hmm.
His NFT was to Phantom. But yeah, that's where I could jump in with Phantom.
Okay, cool, cool. Thank you. Yeah, so yeah, Phantom Pejman, if you want me to take a look at the chart, we can do that on in a private session. You send me 100,000 million? No, I'm joking. I'll do that for free on a personal friendly note. And yeah, man. Yeah, you want to continue with that? Did you bring it up?
I did, but I want to make sure the page is unlocked correctly. But it is. I'm ready to continue.
Okay.
If I can screen share, I just realized I was having issues before, but
Try, yeah.
I just think it's cool. Like I just thought of the ring thing, and I wanted to share how I don't know if people know there is a company that they create rings, Bullion X. One DGX is basically an ounce of gold. All right. So
Okay.
this, if you don't buy gold, but if you buy one Bullion X token, it's a cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency value is attached to the value of gold, just like Tether is to the dollar. This
Right.
is attached to gold. So the
Okay.
DGX balance will always be gold.
True.
I
Okay.
have one. I have a DGX token, but I didn't buy ours because there's only five. But this is
Yeah.
our token that we made, Guerrilla Music, with them.
Hey.
There's only five of them. It was worth 1 gram of gold, which is pretty cool. It's commemorating the launch of the 2020 season. Yeah, it was actually launch season. It's sold out. It's been purchased for
Very
this
nice.
people. Um, but yeah, man. So this right now is worth 1 gram of gold. So say ETH goes down, and say the bullion, like say whatever, everything else value goes down.
Yeah.
This NFT itself is a Bullion X token. That's what this NFT is. And
Hmm.
this token is worth 1 gram of gold.
Right. Yeah.
So another way to, if you just want to buy crypto and not gold, you buy Bullion X.
True. Yeah. It's a
You know what I
great
mean?
way to diversify, and then yeah, when gold goes up and the market's down, kind of like now, if you want, there's a chance of selling this and investing back into crypto. Like these are the options that you're kind of giving yourself by buying this.
And you could also melt it. What you can do is, so you
Oh,
melt that gold token digitally,
hey, hey,
and all of a sudden the value of the gold, whatever it's worth in dollars, gets
mhm.
converted into ETH, that amount, and it gets sent to your wallet.
Boom. Yo, magic. It's
You know what
pretty
I mean?
cool, man.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
So these are some cool things. But yo, let's get into some other. Since that wasn't NFT, that was still is an NFT, but we'll still stick this next story with adoption.
Hmm.
And yo, Pokemon VR. Did we talk about Pokemon last time?
Briefly yesterday, yes.
So they've evolved into Revomon VR. A year ago, a game hit side quest that caused a significant commotion. That game was Pokemon VR, a fan made homage to Nintendo's favorite pocket monsters. Not wanting to face the wrath of Nintendo legal team, they quickly pulled the game from the platform. Thankfully, this is not where the story ends. Fast forward 1 year and the team are back. The game has been redesigned, repackaged, upgraded as Revomon. The result is a fully immersive RPG VR experience powered by the blockchain. Within the game, players can socialize, hunt wild Revomon, and ultimately battle for supremacy. What's more, players can convert in game rewards into NFTs, which they can then trade on the Revomon marketplace. The alpha release date has yet to be confirmed, but it's expected to drop sometime in the very near future. So,
Okay.
the title will follow a DAO governance protocol. We spoke about DAO before, what DAOs are,
Yeah.
and I hope its DAO governance protocol has a few adjustments that make it even more inclusive, allowing owners of the native token Revo. So the Revo token, if you believe in ecosystems, metaverse ecosystems within this world, and we're strong believers. I know I am. I'm pretty sure you are now. Like a strong believer in VR worlds, blockchain metaverse worlds,
Yes, that's the future, man.
and Revo token. I'll probably be buying some Revo token to. If you hold those, you have say for their in-game decisions. Revomon will work on a tier system depending on how much Revo you own. Again, this tier system is back to colonialism. I'm not going to buy new Revo. I'm
Right,
not
right.
going to
So,
own Revo. I was going to own Revo not to sell. I was going to buy Revo for the if Revo. It's like for me owning Mana on Decentraland
Decentraland.
their
Yeah.
token. I'm not owning Mana to sell Mana. I own Mana to have a say in the DAO.
Hmm.
I'm not going to buy any Revo now personally because they just said it's for the DAO. But if I buy Revo, their DAO is also in a tier system.
Yeah. So if you have more, you have more control, basically, and it's not good.
And that's not cool, man, because I think it shouldn't be. That's like the real world. Then people with more money have a louder voice. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to support it personally. I'm not going to support any of these DAO tokens until they change the tier system in it. But one of these perks is early access, ERC20 and BEP20 compatible. So if you do support something like this, I'm not saying don't support it. It's probably dope. I'm
Mhm.
just doing it for my own political reasons. But you can get early access into the game, and you can get it through Pancake Swap and Uniswap if you want early access. So that's
True.
pretty cool. Still,
It is pretty cool.
I'll definitely
Okay.
check the game out. You know.
Yeah, definitely. Gotta check it out.
Next up, we have. Let me change this for a second because
Yo, yeah, while you do that, hey, NFT news. We're entering the that segment. So yeah, Pejman is like Which one of you is Roadman Crypto?
We're both Roadman Crypto.
Yeah, that's both of us. That's both of us.
And you know what, Page Man? You are Roadman Crypto.
Yeah,
We're
you
all
are.
Roadman Crypto.
We are. We are,
We're like
man.
Satoshi Nakamoto. Roadman Crypto is basically like Satoshi Nakamoto.
Yeah,
We all
everyone, and no one.
everyone and no
Yeah,
one. There we go. We just
yeah,
hit the 100-minute mark on the show. We should be getting prizes.
yeah. Millions. And
Yo,
then Pejman is holding some mana too. Good for you, man.
you're holding
Mana.
mana?
Yeah.
Yo, bro, if you have any land there, let me know and we connect our parcels. Do you have land? Let us know in the comments because we'll connect our land together, bro. We'll put a
Yeah.
warp wall from your Decentraland place to the Gorilla Music House. Like eventually, we're gonna play. We're still waiting on it. I know I keep bringing it up, but it's taking us. It's a slow process. But we're gonna have Roadman crypto shows streamed live Monday
On the Central Land.
in Decentraland. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think he does own land, but how are the prices on land now? Have you checked? Like, are they dropping with the market or
Land
are
prices probably won't be dropping, to be honest. Like I think it'll drop in comparison to what the mana is worth
Mhm.
in the physical world, right? What the ETH,
Yeah,
sometimes they're sold for ETH too.
yeah.
So comparison to the dollar, it might be less now,
Hmm.
but it's still going to be the same amount of ETH. Honestly, man, Decentraland parcels are expensive still. Like I'm lucky I went in the beginning and I bought one. I wish I bought two, to
Hmm.
be honest. Names, Decentraland names are selling for 5,000 mana.
Whoa.
So let me look at parcels.
Yeah, Peshwan, the center land stuff is amazing. If you can, buy some land, man. If you can, buy some land on there. And yeah, the future of the central land is just very amazing.
Okay, so let's say the cheapest.
Yeah.
I see 10,000 mana. So
Okay, that's the cheapest.
yeah,
I think mana is like 10 cents or something. So that's like a grand, if I'm not wrong.
14,000 Canadian.
Okay. Oh,
Fourteen
for
thousand Canadian dollars.
for the cheapest land.
Yeah, for the cheapest land.
Ooh.
So
You can buy actual land in some parts of Asia with that kind of money, bro. You know what I mean? Like,
that's what I mean. You could go to
yeah,
Belgrade, top land. It's like I'm not
yeah.
doing that now. But yo, to be honest, yo, if I had more land, I'd probably if I had three, I would sell one and buy physical land. But
Right,
Pedro
yeah.
digital land thing is amazing. He doesn't have essential land, but yo, keep an eye open, man. We're gonna try to make it more accessible for everybody.
Yes,
We have
sir.
goals and plans, my friend. Um,
And we've been meaning to have like an episode on these virtual worlds, and we will. We
let's
will
do it
soon.
tomorrow.
Let's do it.
You know, the market just seems still a little bit of sadness. You talk about the market, then we'll always talk about the market, and then maybe adoption NFT news will skip tomorrow, and we'll just talk about virtual lands.
Virtual land.
And I'll have a blast doing it because I love them. I'm like a big virtual land
Yeah,
nerd.
and I'm like just like the audience. I need to know more. Basically, I
Yeah,
need more information.
I will ramble all day, bro.
Great, great.
So check it.
Yeah.
Introducing Artifex, Artifex, an artist interpretation of life in the NFT realm. Last year saw 100 of the world's finest digital artists gather together and set a task. The challenge was to create a metaphorical representation of themselves within the NFT space. The pieces were subsequently taken by art director Dirk at Work and transformed into digital NFT sculptures. The resulting works are the Artiflex project. Remember, we were going to do something like that with audio NFTs, but it didn't work. Musicians are hard to deal with. Portrayed, among other things, as ghostly apparitions and cybernetic humanoids, the project is a representation of the spirits that inhabit NFT space, resulting in an artist's impression of the realm within the metaverse. Additionally, each artifact's piece is accompanied by its own custom gallery room via rare rooms. Ooh, I'm going to write that down. We're checking that out.
Okay.
Rare room.
Okay.
Um, and is accessible via mobile, web, and VR. Tailored specifically for the Artifacts project, each room allows for the showcasing of 5 artwork NFTs, not restricted to Artfix creations, however, thanks to a intuitive interface. The gallery can display any NFT artwork in your collection. Wow. So this Thursday, May 20th.
Okay.
Hold on, what's the date today?
The 19th.
Okay. All right, so tomorrow it launches. Thursday, May 20th. Artifacts. Um, ARTIFEX. Go take a look. Read a book.
Can you sum that up quickly? Because I was trying to follow what you were reading, but I kind of
It's just like
zoned out.
art where like there's a bunch of artists coming together and they're making art imitate life. So like all the artists, NFT
Uh-huh.
drops have their own VR room in this place called Rare Rooms. So instead of like an
Crazy.
art gallery, it's like you have your own experience when you get this
Uh-huh.
NFT and you can get NFTs from the wall. Like that's what most of these places have been doing. Yo, is the UFC token out? I don't know. You
Good
just
question.
reminded me, yo.
Yeah, I haven't looked. Maybe I take a note now and do research. We talk about it tomorrow, man.
About it.
Yeah.
'Cause I need to know.
Boom.
Alt World episode. So I'm just writing down we have an Alt World episode tomorrow. So we
Good.
only
Yeah.
have two more things, fam. Two more
Yeah.
things.
Hmm.
Um, I'm gonna just bring you to the screen for these ones because I'm tired of my face.
Let's go.
Let's talk about Lego. We all know Lego when you try to put the pieces together.
Boom. Lego, man. Yeah.
Like right now, we're trying to put the pieces back together.
Mhm.
How it's falling apart. But Lego and Disney veterans join the digital collectibles platform. Terra,
Whoa.
dope.
Yeah, that's
Pierre,
big.
they joined the Virtua as marketing director following more than 20 years of experience in marketing and brand development for various entertainment companies. So, digital collectibles platform Terra Virtua has tapped branding veteran Pierre Dad to lead its marketing division, offering yet another example of a high-profile executive transitioning to a blockchain company. Beautiful. Dad was
Mm.
hired for the position of marketing director. Terra Virtue announced Wednesday Dad has over 20 years' experience in marketing and brand development, making him a strong candidate to spearhead Terra Virtue's marketing efforts. Dad's LinkedIn profile suggests he has been involved with the company since at least April. Prior to accepting the position, he headed his own private brand consulting firm for 3 years. Let's forward. The team has built a strong platform. This is quoting him. The team has built a strong platform with a unique proposition that really sets the business apart in the market, he said. My role is now to capitalize on this, and together we will build Terra Virtua into a world-class brand that has broad mass market appeal. I can't wait to get started. So I can't wait to get started. We know maintaining NFTs in popular perception is going to be a tough challenge, and Pierre's wealth of experience at Disney and Lego will be instrumental to guide us in that direction.
Definitely. Big names. Big names, they'll do just that.
I hope he could somehow bring them into it. Like Lego,
True.
imagine NFT Lego pieces that connect and stack to build something.
Whoa.
Come on, son.
Whoa. That's pretty big, man.
All right,
That's
let's
pretty
get one
big.
more, man. For all you sports fans out there, we got one
Get it.
more piece of NFT news.
Let's get it.
What does Dadashi Gold mean?
That was me. I'm like my sweet brother.
Okay, Dadashi Gold. Let's go. Bhalo bhai. That means good brother in Bengali. Bhalo bhai. All right, yo. So check it, man. The official New Jersey Devils NFT digital marketplace
Whoa.
is about to pop off.
Whoa.
They're selling NFT with a one of one coin. Let's read what this is. The New Jersey Devils, who are part of a 31 team National Hockey League with teams throughout the United States and Canada, have announced a partnership with Fanaply. 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 Fanaply, an industry-leading digital collectibles provider. Fanaply will host, mint, sell, and distribute the Devils. I don't like that. Will distribute the New Jersey team's first officially licensed NFT collection. The collection will feature NFTs inspired by iconic moments in New Jersey Devils history. The
Mm.
team's vibrant fan base and the team's recent Made in Jersey brand campaign, providing true digital ownership and engagement for fans at both premium and accessible prices. They've also created an educational landing page to help spread the word about NFTs, educate their fans across the world on what they can do with NFTs and how they can unlock exclusive benefits by purchasing these NFTs.
Okay.
I think that's dope. And you know what we're going to do?
Mm.
We're just going to go to their page one time.
Let's
Let's look
do
at their
that.
page.
Let's do that.
Come on.
Come on now. Yo, Roadman Crypto. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.
Bing, 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 bing. Innovation is made in New Jersey, and you could lead the way. So this is their website. What the puck is an NFT? Oh, at least they're explaining what NFTs are. I like it. So from now on, when people like want to ask me the same question, you could ask me the same question once, twice, three times. But if you're gonna phone me for the 10th time and be like, "Big old miss, why do people even collect these? I don't understand. What's the value?" I'm
Then
like, bro,
shame on you. Then
shame
shame
on
on
you.
you if you ask these dummity dumb questions.
Okay? You go here and you'll find the answers. What makes NFTs so special? Boom, they give you answers. Once I have an NFT, what can I do? Add it to your collection. Boom, 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 boom. Add it to your Apple Wallet, Google Pay for use at a future game. That's what they're going to allow you to do with theirs. Earn special rewards from the team. Unlock exclusive benefits from the team. How do they buy them? They can buy it with debit card, credit card, or cryptocurrency. I'm noticing a lot of these people are adding this as an option to make it easier.
Okay.
The
With
credit.
credit cards and Visa. Yeah.
That's why Mintable's done the same, and that's I think that's has a lot to do with um what's his name, Mark Cuban. When
Uh-huh.
when can I get my NFT? When they released it. Be patient. Is there anything I can do in the meantime? Yeah, hold. Stop giving into the FUD. Sign up right here. Let me do that right here. So you sign up like this. Elon Musk is a loser.
Email.
At Elon Musk dot FUD.
Zip code. Zip code Mars. Just like Mars. One.
I feel like you have to do that for some reason.
The first zip code on Mars. Mars
Phone
1.
number? Go FUD yourself. Ah!
Or in this case, go puck yourself works too. Because it's a hockey team.
You know what?
Okay, phone number. 1-8 1-800 Done. That's the password to Elon Musk's hard wallet right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I just
Done.
want to sign up.
Sign up. Easy. Submit.
Yes. They're gonna get Elon Musk.
You're on the list. Yes, it happened.
Ah! All right, boys. So that's it. We got nothing else to talk about and nothing else to do, right? We got
Right.
things to do and places to be, but all we got to do now. Oh, wrong character.
Wrong character.
All right, guys. We're out.
Let's show them our faces one more time. Yeah, this is how we look. Roadman thing. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe. We the best. What's up? Why are you so confused?
We'll be back.
Okay. So yeah, man, as we speak, Ethereum at 2600, and this is just afternoon on the 19th of May. Bitcoin testing the 40,000 mark. And yeah, man, hopefully we go back up above 40,000, and then we'll hold and through the next week we got to see some green candles, man. That is the truth.
Let's say bye, man.
Okay, yeah.
See
Bye.
you tomorrow. We're gonna talk about virtual worlds.
We're just gonna cry a little bit till tomorrow.
It's not letting me shut it off. Yo, I can't
we're just
go on
gonna
podcast. It's
we're
not-
just gonna cry till tomorrow, man.
Yo, bro, are you logged in?
Yeah, I think I can end the broadcast. Let me try.
Yo, it's not letting me.
Okay, we're by, and then I think mine will work.